We always buy English muffins to eat as breakfast with bacon or eggs or even butter or jam. But I'm going to show you how to create a one-pot meal with English muffins. For this recipe I'm using 2 packets of English muffins. This is a larger batch. You can always make a lot ahead and keep in the fridge or in the freezer or put in lunch boxes for the kids. 250 grams chicken and 3 tablespoons yogurt, 2 eggs and half a cup of flour, 1 onion, 1 carrot, few cloves of garlic and some green peppers, 1 eggplant, few celery sticks, 2 tomatoes and 1 bunch chives. Instead you can use garlic chives or leeks or even spring onions. So let's start. First, into the chicken add about half a teaspoon of paprika, and into that add enough salt to your taste. After, pepper, and leave it to marinate. Meanwhile, let's cut the vegetables. Going to grate the carrot. After, cut the chives. After, cut the sweet peppers. I am going to add all of them into a bowl. Cut the tomato. Now the rest. Celery. Chop the garlic. Then let's cut the eggplant into cubes. Add some oil into a pan. Into that add the chicken. Stir fry 2 minutes. After sealing the chicken, add the eggplant, celery, onions and the garlic. Cook about 5 minutes. After, add the tomatoes. Cook with the tomatoes another minute. After, add the rest of the vegetables. Cook 1 more minute and switch off. While the chicken and vegetable getting cooled down, let's do the muffins. Open them. This is optional. If you like, you can add a bit of margarine or butter and pack them on a baking tray. After, add the flour into it and mix it with flour because it has a bit of liquid and I don't want the mixture to be running. Instead of flour, you can add breadcrumbs. Now into that, going to add the yogurt. If you don't like to add yogurt, you can go without yogurt too. And break the eggs into it. And the eggs are optional too if you don't want to add any. Instead, you can add a bit more flour. Break the eggs. And mix it. Eggs and flour bind all the vegetables together. Now the mixture is ready. Now onto the bread. Add the prepared mix. And in here the cheese is optional, but you can add some cheese, just a little bit. top up with some cheese. I'm using low fat mozzarella here, and this goes to the preheated oven 180 Celsius about 30 minutes or until golden brown. I finished making them, and this is how it is. When you want to serve this, you can serve this with a nice side salad, or even you can cut it into 4 or even 8. Serve with a nice dip. When you open it, this is how it looks like. It's really soft and moist. And bake this about half an hour in the oven, and you can freeze this or pack in kids' lunch boxes or even yours. Hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.